Ayan. Kasi, dali, dito kami na, hindi actually dito, CPK din kami nag-first date. So noon, parang may pinagmamalak pa siyang guy. Sabi ko, sino ba itong guy na to? Late na late pa siya noon, late na late. Sabi ko, okay lang. Kasi there is... Huwag kang umiyak. Sa akin kasi there's always someone worth waiting for, kahit gaano katagal. Tigilan mo na muna yan. Iyak ka na. Hindi ako na. Paiyak din ako. Si Rax, nung dumating siya sa buhay ko, bali... She's the only one who inspires me every day to be a better person, to be a better man every day. Hindi ko inakalang mararating ko yung mga ganong bagay na gagawa ko. But siya lang yun. So sabi ko, she's the person I want to spend the rest of my life with. So, umiyak ka na. Umiyak ako. Rax, I love you so much. If you give me the chance, I'll make you happy every day. I'll try to make you happy as much as you made me. Umiyak ako sa'yo. As much as you make me happy every day. Umiyak.
Umiyak.
Meron pa pala.
Sana hindi ako naka-uniform. Naka-uniform ako.
Alright, see you next.
Lumuhod ka daw. Yes!